children to the Wise Grandpa YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning about alphabets. Wow, look at this book. This book is so nicely done. The Wonders of Learning Alphabets. Wow, they have a jet, zebra, pencil, beach ball. So are you guys excited to open this book up? Yay, let's do this. Wow. A for apple. Mmm, yummy. B for beach ball. C for car. Vroom vroom. D for donut. Yummy in my tummy. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grasshopper. H for hat. I for ice cream, my favorite. J for jet. K for ketchup. L for leaf. M for mirror. N for nails. O for orange. P for pencil. Excuse me, children. I am old grandpa. Q for quarters. R for rabbit. S for sneakers. T for tricycle. U for umbrella. Rain, rain, go away. V for vine. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yield sign. Z for zebra. Yay, we finished our book. Who's excited for the blocks?